In today's video, I am going to teach you how to analyze website traffic with Wix Analytics. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Wix account. From there, open your website dashboard so you can access the tools connected to your site. Once the dashboard is open, go to the left sidebar and click Analytics. This will take you to the main Analytics area for your website. Begin with the Analytics Highlights section. This area gives you a quick summary of how your website is performing. It is a good place to get an overall view before looking at more detailed reports. Here, review the main metrics that are available for your site. These may include site sessions, unique visitors, page views, and conversion rate. Next, use the date selector to choose the time period you want to analyze. This is useful if you want to review recent traffic, compare performance over a longer range, or focus on a specific campaign period. Selecting the correct date range will help you understand your traffic more accurately. After that, open the traffic reports. These reports show where your visitors are coming from. Review the available traffic sources listed in Wix Analytics. Common channels include direct traffic, search traffic, social traffic, referral traffic, and other available sources. This helps you see which channels are bringing people to your website. Then move to the behavior reports or the pages reports, depending on what is available in your dashboard. In this section, you can see which pages receive the most visits. This helps you identify your top-performing content and understand what visitors are viewing most often. As you review these reports, pay attention to visitor engagement metrics. Look for details such as average time on page, bounce rate, or any other available insights. These numbers help you understand how people interact with your content after they arrive on your website. If Wix Analytics gives you the option, apply filters or compare different date ranges. This can help you spot traffic trends over time and measure changes in user behavior. It is especially useful for tracking growth or evaluating the impact of updates to your site. When you are finished, export or share the report if you need to save your analytics data for later review. Then return to the dashboard once you are done analyzing your website traffic. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.